Hello everyone, welcome back to AR for RW's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to get input from users in Python. Let's dive in. In Python, we can receive input from the user thanks to input function. Input stops the program and waits for the user to type something. Now let's move on to getting numerical input from the user. The input function always returns a string. If you need to work with numbers, you must convert the input to the appropriate data type. We can check type of input by using the type function in Python. Let's code a program that receives the user's height and weight and calculates and prints the person's BMI. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to AI for RW's YouTube channel.